One day, my father woke up and told me, Krish, I'm not getting sleep at all. I asked him why. He said, because of your mom. Jokes apart. Hi, my name is Krisha Maheshwari and I'm here to talk about stress. These days, my father doesn't get sleep because he's stressed. These days, many people don't get stressed and don't get enough sleep or don't have a good day. My idea is to create a tool which will help a sleeping mask which will help you with a pattern of music and it will soothe you. There will be a tool from which the user can control the music and timings. Here are a few steps. Stress can lead over to oversleepiness too. And did you know that stress is just a hormonal response from your body? Yes. Here are a few steps for you to use to cure it. Number 1. You can take breaks while working or etc. Number 2. Get active like exercise or run. Number 3. If you like painting or drawing, express yourself by drawing things you like or see around yourself. Number 4. You can also calm yourself down by listening to music or meditate. Here's a short story I would like to share about Rahul with you. In the wacky town of Panicopolis, there lived Rahul. Rahul's life was like a sitcom with too many commercial breaks. His hair in a permanent state of rebellion and he was constantly running late. One fateful morning, Rahul woke up to his alarm clock blaring like a mixtape from a toddler's birthday party. He stumbled out of bed, stepped on his cat's tail, and ended up tangled in the bed sheets like a human burrito. This is why I should invest in welfare pajamas, he grumbled as he sprinted to catch the bus. At work, chaos regained supreme. Rahul's boss, Mr. Gupta, thought it was a perfect day for a surprise meeting on the importance of punctuality. While glaring directly at Rahul, who had fashionably skated into the room with a coffee stain on his tie and a donut in his pocket. During the meeting, Rahul's phone chimed like a symphony of stress with texts of his mom asking when he was planning to go to the dentist and his landlord threatening to evict him for setting off the fire alarm while attempting to microwave popcorn. Feeling like a bad character in sitcom, Rahul slouched back into his desk only to find that his computer had taken a vacation without him and had left a note that said, "Gone fishing." Obviously, he grunted. So upset, Rahul went back home and lay down on his bed, knowing he survived to tell the world's most stressful Monday. So did you see how stressful that was? Now, that's reality. Can any of you relate to this? Okay, now let us move on to the next question. Parents are mostly stressed. How can this affect children? Development delays, irritability, clinginess, and changes in appetite. This can lead to headaches and etc. Did you know there are only 35% of Gen Zs who sleep more than 7 hours a night? And adults who sleep more than 8 hours a night report higher stress levels than those who sleep at least 8 hours a night. How does stress affect your cognitive function? Flexibility and attention can affect your cognitive function. Obviously, we all are in a tight spot at once, but I believe this can cure it all. Thank you.